In the providence of restoration through Abraham's family, the central figure to restore the foundation of faith was Abraham. God commanded Abraham to offer a dove and a pigeon, a ram and a goat, and a heifer. The book of Genesis, chapter 15, verses 9 to 13 mentions that Abraham cut them in two, but he did not cut the birds in two. Then the Lord said to Abraham, that his descendants will be sojourners in a land that is not theirs, and will be slaves there, and they will be oppressed for 400 years. When Abraham offered the birds without first dividing them, it meant that he offered what had not been wrested from Satan's possession. Abraham's mistake in making the symbolic offering caused the offering to be defiled, and Satan to claim possession over them. All the conditions God intended to restore through it were lost. As a consequence, Abraham's descendants had to suffer oppression and slavery for 400 years in the land of Egypt.